This is the chapter number 3, collective noun and abstract nouns revision. Now today we are going to solve the example the exercises of the collective noun first, and the next class we are going to talk about the abstract nouns. Now the first one over here we have first exercise just below the yellow color box. Okay, we have over here a exercise. Choose the correct collective noun from the box to fill in the blanks. Okay, now these answers, as I told you earlier, these answers I am going to just tell you the answers over here. We are going to discuss, and I'll be sharing the PDF with you, okay, soon. Okay, a dash of singers, can you guess? Yeah, that's correct. A choir of singers. So you can see the choir spelling over here, children. This is your choir. Okay, this is your choir. That's this one, correct one. Okay, next one is a bench of magistrates. Okay, bench of magistrates. Magistrates are actually the people who make laws and all, and they actually work in a collector office. Okay, they are this word you will be studying in your civics, so you just remember this. Okay, magistrates. Then next we have a warren of rabbits. Okay, a warren of rabbits. Then we have next one, a faculty of teachers. A faculty of teachers. Okay, a board of directors. Board of directors. So board is here only. This is your board of directors. That's the correct thing. A dash of actors. A dash of actors. A company of actors. That's correct answer. Then a dash of fish. Can you see the fish over here? Which fish is this? You can identify. Yeah, okay. The this one will be called as a dash of fish. You remember I have shown the example, that is a school of fish. Okay, now next turn to the next page. I'll turn. Okay. Okay, then we have the this one will not be visible for you, but I'll be discussing the answer with you. A dash of paintings, a collection of paintings, eighth one. Then next one, a dash of soldiers. Yes, that's a correct thing. A regiment of soldiers. Okay, regiment is given over there. Okay, in the box next to the word brood. Okay, a dash of stars, 10th one, a galaxy of stars. Okay, now who are these mischievous animals? You got it correct, those are monkeys. So what do we call them? If they are in a group, we call them as a troop of monkeys. A troop of monkeys. And what do we call a number of chicks in a group? They are called as a brood of chicks. Okay, correct. Okay, I hope you have noted down the answers as well. Even if you don't worry about it, I'm going to share the answers with you. Okay, the next one. Okay, next exercise. What words stand for the following? Work in pairs and find the correct word. A period of 100 years. So what do we call a period of 100 years? Yes, that's called as century. We call it as century. You can also repeat after me the words. Okay, so you remember as well. A period of 10 years is what is the one word for a period of 10 words? It's a decade. What do we call it as? A decade. Okay. Then a creature with 100 legs. Oh my god. Yes, you got it correct. That's a centipede. Centipede. I repeat again. Okay. Centipede. So, next one. A person who is 100 years old. A person who is 100 years old. Centenarial. It is called as centenarial. Okay. The spellings you don't worry, but you understand the pronunciation. When you get my PDF, it will be very clear for you. 20 pieces of something, score. That's the fifth one. A 20 pieces of something, score. Right. Next one, and last not but the least one. Okay, a period of 1000 years. millennium. Okay, a period of 1000 years, millennium. Okay, correct. Okay, now the next exercise. Now, in the C exercise, the words are given to you. Okay, the words are the words couple, brace, and pair mean two, but they are not interchangeable. You cannot change them. Okay, they cannot be changed. They are interchangeable. Okay, complete each phrase with one of these words. You may consult an English dictionary. So children, whenever you find a difficult word, it's a very good thing to consult a dictionary. Okay, I also love to search new words. Won't you do that? Yes, you do it in your spare time. Whenever you have free time, you find new words and improve your enhance your vocabulary, increase your vocabulary. Let's see the examples of the exercise now. A dash of shoes. Which word would you use it over here? The out of four, couple, brace, pair, what you are going to use out of the three? A pair of shoes. That's a correct thing. Then a dash of pistols. What do we call? It will be, the correct answer is a brace of pistols. That's correct. Yes, okay. Then next one, a pair of fools. A pair of fools. Yes. Then next, a dash of days. A couple of days. That's correct. Then a dash of peasants. A dash of peasants. Peasant is actually a kind of a bird. Okay. Then a brace of peasants. Okay. Then a pair of trousers. Okay, again for trousers we call it as a pair of trousers. So you all remember this very well, children. Okay, this names and the exercises which we have done. Okay, this is the last exercise we are going to do for the day. Okay, now choose the exercise. Choose the correct collective noun from the box and complete each sentence. The first one has been done for you. Okay, so the words are given. You just have to select the appropriate word, the correct word from the blank from the block in the block given. Okay. Okay, the first one is done. The woman hurled a volley of abuses at her attacker. So, if somebody is using, foul sentences, a group of foul sentences, abusive sentences, so it is called as a volley of abuses. Okay, next one. A dash of police officers were stationed outside the attacker's embassy as a security measure. So, what do we call it as? The correct word is a team of police officers. Okay, so the correct answer would be a team of police officers. That's correct. Okay, check the next one. Okay, the topmost part. Okay, abstract noun tomorrow next day we are going to do, so you just ignore that. Okay, the sentences: the police used tear gas to disperse the mob. I've given the answer to you. A mob of hooligans. So hooligans are nothing but people who are do not behave well. They are mannerless. They are called as hooligans. The mob of hooligans. Okay. Then a dash of locusts descended upon the village. A swarm of locusts. Locusts are just like they are actually the insects. Okay, they are the insects which they destroy the field. And nowadays in the news you must be hearing about them. So locust, a swarm of locusts. What do we call them? A swarm of locusts. The next one. The bedroom dash consisted of a bed, a wardrobe, and a dressing table. So, what does a bedroom contains? All this contains a suite of consisted the bedroom suite. Okay, it is called as bedroom suite. A number of rooms in a hotel. So that's called as suite. Okay. Then the farmer's cart was pulled by a dash of oxen. Can you guess this? Yes, that's correct. Oxen. That is a couple of oxen. That's correct. Next one. Europe was invaded dash of savages in the Middle Ages. Now savages means people who are uncivilized. Ravage, kind of those who hunt and hunt animals, those people are called as savages. So Europe was invaded by hordes of savages. Group of savages called as hordes of savages. Okay. The next one, the philately exhibition had some very interesting dash. What it is? It is interesting collection. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is this philately? Philately is actually related to post. Okay, post office, something, kind of rare kind of stamps, and one who collects a stamp is called as a, yes, I have shared with all the children. You give me the reply, okay, later on. That's called as philatist, right? Okay. So we'll meet in the next class, dear, and take care. And I hope you are all taking care, okay? And do take care of your health and your parents. Till then, bye and take care. Bye bye, all.